Good morning. Thank you for joining another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm here with John, our shipping and handling manager. He is going to give us a few tips on how and why it is so important to package your equipment properly. What instructions, John, or tips would you give a customer who is sending in an instrument for repair?
Well, the first thing is deciding whether it's going to be shipped parcel or freight. A good way to determine that is, are you comfortable carrying it around yourself? If not, then it should probably be shipped freight, just to protect it from potential damage during shipping.
Okay. And we're going to ask him, what measures does GenTech do to ensure shipments arrive safely?
One of the important things that we do is using an ample amount of packaging. Giving the equipment enough cushioning from the sides of the shipping container to make sure that it's not bouncing around and nothing can crush the shipping container and damage the equipment.
Are there specific things customers should not do or use when packaging equipment?
One big thing not to use is polystyrene, and that is the styrofoam that crumbles that can get into the instruments and damage circuit boards, damage detectors, and just be very disruptive.
Very good. We want to thank John for joining us and to remind you to follow us on all our social media, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and we will see you again next Tuesday. Thank you.